So now moving to our question number 8. What is our question number 8? That a cement company earns a profit of 8 rupees per bag of white cement bag sold and a loss of 5 rupees per bag of grey cement. So what is basically given in this question, that there is a cement company and it sells two different kinds of cements, white cement and grey cement, and what is the profit and loss made by the company in each and every cement bag. If it sells a white cement bag, then it earns a profit of 8 rupees, and if it sells the grey cement, it gains a loss of 5 rupees. So have you understood the statement? I think you have understood. अगर आपको नहीं समझ आया तो हम हिंदी में भी समझा देते हैं कि अभी देखो कि एक सीमेंट कंपनी है, वो दो टाइप्स के सीमेंट बैग सोल्ड करती है, ठीक है, वाइट सीमेंट बैग और ग्रे सीमेंट बैग. एंड जब वो वाइट सीमेंट बैग सोल्ड करती है तो वो 8 रुपीज़ का प्रॉफिट होता है उस कंपनी को. एंड इफ़ वो ग्रे सीमेंट बैग सोल्ड करती है तो उसे लॉस होता है 5 रुपीज़ का. So let us move to our first part, that the company sells 3,000 bags of white cement and 5,000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? It is a very easy question. So let us just solve it. So firstly, what you have to do, you have to firstly write down the statement like this, that number of white cement bags. What are the number of white cement bags sold by the company? जो कंपनी ने white cement bags सोल्ड किए हैं यहाँ, उसका जो वैल्यू है वो क्या है, वो है 3,000 bags. ठीक है, उसने 3,000 bags सोल्ड किए हैं कंपनी ने. The company has sold 3,000 white cement bags. So now what is made by the company by selling the white cement? Profit or loss? Profit. So you would write here profit, that how much profit the company made by selling white cement bags. In this way you will find out the profit or loss at the last. Firstly, let me explain that how would you just solve this question. Firstly, you would find out both the profit and loss of white cement bag and grey cement bag, and at last you will subtract the both, and then you will find out the profit or the loss. So let us just solve it. Number of white cement bags is 3,000, and what is the profit made by the company by selling 3,000? How would you find it? You would multiply 3,000 from 8, because company makes a profit of 8 rupees by selling each white cement bag. So what is 3,000 multiply 8? 8 3s का कितना होता है? 8 3s are 24,000. So this will be 24,000 rupees. So this is the profit made by the company by selling the white cement bags. So now let us just find out the loss made by the company by selling grey cement bags. So you would write here number of grey cement bags. What is the number of grey cement bags sold? The number of grey cement bags sold is 5,000. So you would write here 5,000. And what is the loss made by the company by selling 5,000 grey cement bags? The loss made by the company is 5,000 multiplied by 5, because company makes 5 rupees loss by selling grey cement bag. So let us solve it. 5 5s are 25 and 1 2 3, so there will be 3 zeros in the back of 25. So this will be 25,000 rupees. And now you have to compare the both, that what the company makes more, the profit or the loss. Obviously you can see here 24,000 and 25,000. What the company makes more? The company makes more loss. So at last you will compare the both. You will write it as 24,000 compared from 25,000. तो अगर हम दोनों को compare करें, which one is bigger? 25,000 is bigger. So at last what you have concluded, that the company has made loss. The loss is more, so the company had made a loss. And how would you find out that how much loss the company had made? You would subtract both the values. So you will write here loss, actually not loss, you will write here total loss made by company. What is the total loss made by the company? The total loss made by the company is 25,000 minus 24,000, and this is 1,000 rupees. So the loss made by the company is 1,000 rupees. So this was our A part. So now let us move to our B part. So now moving to our B part, what is our B part? That what is the number of white cement bags the company must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey bags sold is 6,400 bags. So now what is given in this question, that you know that the company made a loss by selling the grey cement bags. The company has made more loss, and what is asked in this question, that what is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss. That now you can see that the company made a loss of a lot of rupees. Now the company wants to make a profit, and here is given that if the number of grey bags sold is 6,400, then you have to find out the value of bags the company must sell to have neither profit nor loss. How would you find that? You would write here firstly what is given in the statement. You will write here number of grey cement bags. What are the number of grey cement bags? The number of grey cement bags are 6,400. And now what you have to find in this, now firstly to find out the number of white bags the company must sell, you have to find out the loss of the company made by selling 6,400 ग्रे सीमेंट बैग्स के मतलब अगर आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि कंपनी को कितने वाइट सीमेंट बैग सोल्ड करने पड़ेंगे उस लॉस को कनकर करने के लिए, तो आपको पहले ग्रे सीमेंट बैग्स का लॉस निकालना पड़ेगा. सो टू राइट इट, आई एम राइटिंग हियर लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ ग्रे सीमेंट bags. What is the loss? Now, as we have read in the starting of the question, that the loss made by the company by selling grey cement bags is 5. So you will multiply 6,400 by 5. So multiplying it 6,400 multiply 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 20, 6 5s are 30, 31, 32. So this will be 32,000. So this will be 32,000. So the loss is 32,000 rupees. So the loss made by the company by selling grey cement bags is 32,000 rupees. So now let us just find out the number of white cement bags. And how would you find out? To find out the number of white cement bags the company must have to sell to have neither profit nor loss, you have to divide 32,000 by 8, because the profit made by the company by selling white cement bag each is 8 rupees. So to find out the number of white cement bag, you have to divide 32,000 from 8. So now let us just find out number of white cement bags the company has to sell. How do you find it? You would divide 32,000 from 8. So हम इसको सीधे ही कट कर सकते हैं. 8 4s are 32 and this will be 4,000. 1 2 3 1 2 3. So this will be 4,000 bags. So the company has to sell 4,000 bags of white cement to have neither profit nor loss. So this was our question number 8. So now let us come to our next question.